Organic chicken, access to outdoor. You expect to think that organic chicken has access to the outside, that they are living on old McDonald's farm. But that's not really what the organic standards are talking about. Organic standards say that chickens should have access to the outdoors. What that means in a big conventional barn that there'll be little tiny doors that chickens can go out if they want to, but they don't. And if they did, they don't have access to very much. It's just basically an outdoor patio. Oftentimes it'll have gravel, or if it is natural, it's going to be, pounded down dirt, nothing there. Organic chickens does not mean pasture raised chicken. Why does organic chicken even talk about the space requirements for chicken? Don't all chickens have the same space? Well, the answer is no. Conventional chickens are grown to be as efficient as possible, which means that they have the minimum amount of space required, which is maybe 3/4 of a square foot per bird, which is less than a sheet of paper. So, an organic chicken, because they don't get to use antibiotics, they can't overcrowd and overstress the birds. They have to give them more space. So, this is a way that organic standards increase animal welfare by giving them more space to move. But the tricky thing here is that organic standards say that it shouldn't be more than 6 pounds live weight per square foot, which is a weird metric. But basically, a 6 pound chicken is basically a full grown chicken, and a square foot is about a piece of 8.5 by 11 paper, maybe a little bit more than that. But the idea is that's how much space an organic chicken gets, is they get to live on a piece of paper. Maybe it's an A4 piece of paper, but that's how much space they get for their entire life. And so what we do is pasture raised poultry is we give them acres of space. We don't even calculate square foot per bird. It's a meaningless metric if they're on pasture.